Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So Instagram have added one more new feature that whenever you will watch someone's stories and when you will react up, instead of only the reaction, you will also see a camera icon. So how this work, I will show you in my mobile screen. So here this side you can see uh, this is a story. So for example, I will open on this story and there is a story. So when I will scroll up, you can see there are five emojis and one camera icon. So if I will click on this camera icon, you will see how this will open, and you can click your emoji anything you want, you can see, and this has been sent. So how this look, I will show you in my mobile screen. So I will go to that account where I have reacted, and you can see I got this reaction, and here you can see my face reaction is there. So this is a new thing which Instagram have added. Instead of using emoji, you can send your face reaction. So let me know if you have received this new update or not. Thanks for watching this video.